Hi, this is Asim and AVS starts right now.
From our world headquarters in North America, this is AVS.
The big question is Salman Khan ready to get hitched? Hey everyone, I'm Joy Das. Before you jump to any conclusions, Sallu Bhai isn't tying the knot anytime soon in real life, but he does have his eyes set on a Southern Belle in a brand new movie. Asim made a spectacular debut in Gajni, a lukewarm follow-up in London Dreams, and now preps to wow you with her new role in Ready. The Malayali beauty plays Salman's accidental love interest.
Baby, every time I think of you, you make me smile.
Hi, this is Asim and you're watching me on AVS TV Network.
You should know, baby, I never ever wanna let you go.
Ready, I think, is a complete entertainer. Very typical Anees Wazni Salman Khan film, which can be watched by the entire family audiences. Bachcho se leke chacha chachi mama mami tak. I think everybody will enjoy it. It's a decent, commercial, entertaining film. चेंजेस बहुत सारे चेंजेस है जो अनीस जी ने किया है. आई थिंक इट्स अ गुड थिंग बिकॉज टू मेक इट अडेप्टेड टू द नॉर्थ इंडियन ऑडियंसेस और सलमान के कैरेक्टर और सलमान की जो पर्सोना है एंड द एक्टर दैट सलमान खान है, उसके लिए थोड़ा बहुत ट्वीक भी किया है, चेंज भी किया है. सो या बहुत सारे चेंजेस हैं स्क्रीन प्ले में, सीन्स में. आई थिंक द बेसिक्स वी हैव केप्ट द सेम. जो स्टोरी का थ्रेड है, इट्स अबाउट दिस बॉय एंड द गर्ल संजना प्रेम एंड अबाउट दिस फैमिली इश्यूज एंड देयर लव. तो वो सेम है, लेकिन आई थिंक द ट्रीटमेंट एंड द स्क्रीन प्ले इज अ बिग चेंज.
हमारी शक्ल मिलती जुलती है कि नहीं?
एक्चुअली प्रोड्यूसर्स ने मुझे अप्रोच किया था पहले एंड आई हैड सीन रेडी बिफोर, क्योंकि वो एक साउथ इंडियन फिल्म है. आई हैड सीन इट बिफोर, तो स्क्रिप्ट लेके नहीं आए थे. दे टोल्ड मी दैट दे रीमेकिंग रेडी. So it was I thought it was a great idea, and for a star like Salman, I thought the character was really perfect. It's a commercial film, and which can be handled magnificently by Anees ji. So I thought it was a very good project to be a part of. Character's name is Sanjana. She is a normal girl, लेकिन उनकी लाइफ में फैमिली की वजह से बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं. And Salman plays Prem, who's this naughty boy, but he's very helpful. Comes into Sanjana's lives and helps her solve these issues. And उसके बीच में then they fall in love, and then how finally their love also culminates in marriage.
मैं मॉडर्न ज़माने का कुत्ता हूँ, लेटेस्ट.
Strengths and weaknesses. Wow, I don't think I should be judging somebody as senior and as established as Anees ji. But I think his strong points are his attitude, basically. How he can keep a cool head while handling a lot of situations. Fantabulous song. I think it just goes with Salman so well. I don't think anybody could do it better. And I think it's a fantabulous introduction for the character of Prem, because it just describes what kind of a person Prem is and his vibe. Character Dila is a song which is the first song in the movie Ready, and it is a song with which Salman comes into the movie for the first time. His character Prem is introduced, and I think this number is just perfect for that situation. except for Pyar Hua, which is a very melodious, romantic song. Everything else just wants to make you move, you know. Your body just has to move with the music, and I think that's a great quality to have in a commercial entertainer. So I think the music is definitely one of the highlights of Delhi.
12 महीने में 12 तरीके से तुझको प्यार जताऊंगा
I like Ringa Ringa also, but if you ask me to pick between two, Dhinka Chikka is definitely my favorite. Whole experience, I don't know whether there are incidents that I could pinpoint, but the whole experience of having a great supporting co-star like Salman, you know, immediately after London Dreams, we started work on Ready. So it was back-to-back films with Salman. The amazing cool person that he is, the amazing encouragement and fun co-star that he is, I think hats off to him. That was definitely something to cherish. My first experience working with Anees ji, one of the commercial hit makers of Hindi cinema, and the entire cast and crew from Mahesh ji, who's playing the father of Prem, Anuradha Patel ji, a whole lot of you know, members of the cast. The entire unit, I think I really miss them now that we've finished the movie. I think the entire experience was something that I'll cherish.
जिंदगी में 3 चीज कभी अंडरएस्टिमेट नहीं करना. I, me, and myself.
Positive expectations, great expectations. Hope that it becomes a hit as everybody would want their films to be. But I hope that we manage to entertain the audiences and we deliver as per the promise that we showed in the trailer.
Sajid Khan's Houseful 2 cast just got bigger as Asan joins the lead lineup. Now word has it that the South Indian beauty will be donning a hot bikini for the role. But hold your zeal for June 3rd when she sizzles alongside Salman Khan in Ready.